Hi guys, a quick update about the Kenwood amplifier repair. So I received the transistors. They are all ready to go on the in-sync. They seem to be good. And I made a dummy load for the testing purpose. Everything is from scrap except the power resistors, because it is not the kind of thing I have in my scrap pile. So there are 50 watts, 8 ohms, 8.2 ohms resistors mounted onto some aluminum in sync, so it will be pretty good for the dummy load purpose. Okay, so we'll put back the heat sink, solder the transistors, and start the reassembly process, because it needs to be somewhat reassembled before testing anyway. Thanks for watching, bye bye.